Oh my gosh, I have such a bad ski goggles tan. Yikes. Merry Christmas! I mean, I'm trying to like upload this video on Christmas, so you know it should be Christmas today when you're watching this, or maybe it's not Christmas, I don't really know. Yeah, Christmas, cool. Yeah, happy holidays. Am I pulling this beanie off? I don't really know, because beanies, like, they're good in theory, but then in real life, they just, I feel like they're just gonna slip off so fast, but that's okay. But anyway, today we are going to be doing a big Christmas celebration. Basically, Christmas preparations, just a Christmas themed video, wrapping presents, eating cookies, because I'm too lazy to make cookies, so I'm just gonna eat the ones that we already got and made, that my mom made, that I did no part in helping with, but my job is to eat them, so we're going to be doing that. And I don't know, what else is Christmassy? Making snowmen, even though there's like no snow on the ground. Eating a candy cane, even though I don't have any candy canes. Yeah, we're just going to be doing some festive Christmas stuff today. Trying to think what this outfit makes me look like, you know? It's like not a minion exactly, but it looks like, I don't know, I feel like I look like something from some cartoon Disney show. B-movie? No, it's not the B-movie. What does this look like? So I was trying to think of Christmas gifts for my friends because I didn't really know what to get them exactly because, I don't know, friends are like, I don't know, it's like, I was just having issues trying to figure out what to get them. Anyway, I decided to get, you know those like clear plastic Starbucks cups? Yeah, well, those are like $3 at the store, I think. So I got those. I actually think I recorded that in a different video. But then I was like, I'm gonna paint those and then give them to my friends for Christmas. So I painted all of these last night. So, you know, that was fun to paint. I don't know, I think I'll do a different video about this, like how to paint them, even though it might be kind of self-explanatory. I just like painting things in videos. But anyway, now I have to like seal them with Mod Podge, so then you can like hand wash them without all the paint chipping off. Finishing up the Christmas presents, you know, that's something to do for Christmas celebrations. Oh my gosh. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. What is going on? Ew, what do I do with this? Boom, I finished one. Is my head too big for this? Literally it is, but that's okay. That Here Comes Santa Claus song is stuck in my head now, and I kind of don't really like that one, but that's okay. So I just went downstairs and got some of my Christmas decorations, even though Christmas is in 2 days, so I'm gonna have to like take them down in 2 days, but that's okay. Last year I didn't take my Christmas decorations that were in my bedroom down until April, so let's see if I can do better this year. But okay, so I found this thing. Isn't that cute? And then I found this Christmas tree with this battery thing attached, so let's see if it turns on. Oh, it does! Lovely, that's so fun. So now I can really get into the Christmas spirit with, you know, these 2 decorations in my room. I'm just gonna put them on the table that the camera's sitting on, so. So I'm wrapping. Ow. So I'm wrapping on the ping pong table because this is the only hard surface there is. Well, I mean, there's other hard surfaces, but that involves me moving things out of the way, so we're not doing that. The first gift is for my mom from anthropology, and I guess they tried to gift wrap it, but it didn't really work, so it's time to redo their gift wrapping, I guess. I'm just gonna reuse their tissue paper. trying. I tried. Setting this to the side. Ooh, some books. Books are easy to wrap because, you know, they're a normal shape. And yes, I'm wrapping all of my gifts in Minion wrapping paper. But then at least people will know it's from me. Because like, who else is gonna wrap it in Minion wrapping paper? I also saw this thing on Twitter where it's like, you can wrap presents diagonally, but I don't really know how well that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna not do that. Also, I'm an only child, so I don't have any siblings to give presents to. That's why there are no, like, sibling presents in here, is because those siblings do not exist. Another book, which is also being wrapped in Minion paper. Okay, well now I guess we're gonna have to do the Twitter hack and wrap it diagonally because there's not enough space. But oh my gosh, the Twitter hack doesn't work. Surprise! It's just like a tiny bit too short. Okay, so here's my Christmas tree, and here is one of my favorite, I guess, ornaments. Just
same.
So to conclude today's Christmas video, because it's time to conclude the video or else it'll be too long. And you know, you don't want to watch a 30-minute long video about Christmas. Well, maybe you do. Okay, but how else will we conclude a Christmas video besides eating Christmas cookies? Is that what I was trying to say? I don't know, but basically we're just concluding the video with by eating Christmas cookies that my mom made and that I had no part in helping with. Comment down below if you think Mean Girls is a Christmas movie, because some people think it is, but because you could also argue that Mean Girls is a Halloween movie too, which it is not either. Okay, but anyways guys, thanks so much for watching today's Christmas video. It was fun to celebrate Christmas by making and wrapping presents. Why did I just open the cabinet? But cool. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment something down below that's fun. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all to you. Good night. Yeah, bye.